Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to learn how to draw an internal tangent to two circles of the same size. Make sure you watch it till the end. Okay, so to start off, of course, we have our two circles. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line to connect the centers of the two circles. Now these circles are of the same radius. I think they are 500 millimeters in radius, and I've just labeled the line AB. So this is AB, and this is the basis of our construction today. What we're going to do initially is we're going to bisect line AB. Alright, we're going to bisect it, and at this point I've sped up the video about ×2 because you've already seen me bisect several lines at this point. It's the same procedure, but if you want to see the details a bit slower, you can always reduce the speed of the video to watch it in real time. Good. So here we have our bisecting line. So we have bisected line AB, and the middle of line AB I have labeled it as O. Great. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to bisect AO. Right? We're going to bisect line AO, and we are going to bisect line OB. Alright, so this is us bisecting AO as we speak. Again, it's the same construction procedure all the time. Nothing has changed. And now we are bisecting OB. Good. Now after drawing the arcs, what we're going to do next is draw the bisecting lines. There you go. And of course I will just extend it a bit so that it can stand out and you can see it clearly. Right, so we have our three bisecting lines, and where we bisected AO, I labeled that point as C, and where we bisected OB, I labeled that point as D. Now this is where it gets a little interesting. We're going to draw two more circles, and we're going to use C, radius CO, as our first radius. Alright, let's just make sure we have it correct. Alright, so CO is our first radius, and then we're going to use D as center for our second circle, and again the radius will be OD, or it could have been, the radius could have been AC for the first circle, and it could have been DB for the second circle. It doesn't matter. Alright, now the two circles that are highlighted now, let me just change the layer real quick. So these are our original circles, and these are the circles which we want the line of tangency to touch. Now we're going to draw one internal line, and this line will touch both circles. Now how are we going to do this? At the points labeled E and F, which are where the last two circles that we drew intersected the first two circles. Right, so the circle with the circles with center B, C and D, where they intersected the circles with centers A and B, sorry, excuse me, those points are our points of tangency, and they are labeled E and F. Now you can see I have drawn the line to E and F, and I've changed the layer, and this is our line of tangency. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take off the construction line layer so that you can only see the finished product. And there you have it. So this is what it looks like. This is what our line of tangency looks like. And I'm going to turn back on the construction lines. So these are the steps. I hope it wasn't too confusing. Feel free to ask any questions that you have in the comments below. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you very much.